Hey everyone, welcome to my course. If you want to hear me speak German, just stay tuned. But first, I have a question for you. Ready? What is the best way to learn a language? Write everything down, learn all the vocabularies by heart. Yeah, I know, those are very important things, but the best way to learn a language is through trial and error. I know it's scary, but I also went through the learning experience myself. German is my fourth language. I learned 2 African languages and French before I learned German. And now, especially since I have been living in Germany for over a decade now, I master the German language like a native speaker. In my life, I find that the best teachers are those who went through the learning experience themselves, falling down, standing up, and especially not giving up. In my German beginners course, you will need everything you need to know to hold a conversation with a German speaker. Those are the basic things. You will learn how to ask questions, how to negate sentences, and so on and so forth. Most importantly, I will give you cultural tips on how to behave when speaking with a German speaker and many things more. I hope you join the family. Let's go!